Our task today is to explain how to use the contact chain. First, we will select the contact chain option within the code. This will redirect us to the list of contact chains that we have already created. To begin, we will click on the plus button, and a field will appear where we will enter a title. If we need to sign the contact chain only once, we'll select this option. If we're sending the contact chain to a student via SMS or email and the student or lead replies to the SMS or email, and we want to discard those pending messages, we'll select this option here. Next, we'll select both options and save them. After saving, we can see that two buttons will appear for SMS and email. If we want to send an SMS to a student, we'll set the SMS message and title here. We'll also specify how many days after creating the student or lead we want to send the SMS. As we add it, an SMS will be sent to the student or lead 1 day after they are added to our database, at 9 o'clock. If we need to trigger another SMS after the student replies, we'll click on the Reply Trigger option. Here we'll see a field for adding a reply trigger. For example, if the student replies with "Hi," we can automatically reply to the student. We can also set up an opt-out link option if we want to provide the student with the opportunity to opt out of this contact chain. Every SMS that is sent will also include an opt-out link. The second option is to add an email. When we click on it, we'll see a field for the title, and then the Send After Days field. Let's set it to 2 days, and then a time field will appear to specify the time to send the email. Next, a button will appear to open the email template, and here we can select the email template for the student. This is the email template that will be sent. In this way, we can automatically create a contact chain and automatically trigger SMS or emails to students or leads.